Hello friends, welcome to our channel Traveler Bird. Today we are going to discuss about the different scholarships available in LPU. So for taking admission in LPU, you must know the different scholarships for which you can take highest scholarship. So we are going to discuss today about different categories. First is the different scholarships available, what are the different brackets for scholarship available, and third is what are the different phases for availing that scholarship. So let's start the video. So LPU provides vast range of scholarships. So different categories are there. First is on the basis of your previous examination, like on the basis of 10th, on the basis of 12th, is on the basis of graduation, whatever basis you are going to take admission, on that basis scholarship is there. Second is on the basis of LPU NEST exam, that is Lovely Professional University National Entrance and Scholarship Test. For various courses it is mandatory to qualify. Third, on the basis of your national level test like JEE main exam, NEET exam, CAT, MAT, ZAT, whatever exam you are going to give, on that basis also scholarship is there. Fourth is on the basis of sports, culture activities and co-curricular activities, also scholarship is there, in which if you have participated earlier then you can get the scholarship on that basis. Also in this you will have trial or audition based scholarship is there, that is TABS, trial or audition based scholarship, in which you can apply and go in university to give a trial, and on the basis of that scholarship will be there. Next is on the basis of if you are a board topper, then also you will have a scholarship. And last is financial aid scholarship, in which you will have need based scholarship, scholarship for orphan students, scholarship for persons with certain disability, the scholarship is there, right? So we are going to discuss first is on the basis of your previous examination, what are different brackets available for the scholarship. So the different 4 brackets are there. If you are 10th pass out, 12th pass out, diploma pass out, or if you are later entry pass out student, then you are in 4 different categories scholarship. First is if you are scoring 98% marks or above, then you will get first category scholarship. Second is if you are having percentage of marks between 95 to 97.99%, then you will get the scholarship of second bracket. If you are having percentage of marks between 90 to 94.99%, then you will be in the third bracket of scholarship. And last is if you are having percentage of marks between 80 to 89.99%, then you will be in fourth bracket. The different brackets are explained as I have explained earlier. So in this you will have the scholarship accordingly. For example, that scholarship percentage is 60, 50, 40, 30. Then first bracket will be in 60%, second will be 50, likewise for second and third and fourth. So you will get the scholarship like this. Also, so next is if you are a graduation pass out, similarly different brackets are there for scholarship on the basis of your percentage of marks. So after graduation, different 4 brackets are: first is percentage of marks between 90, that is if you are having percentage of marks 95% or above, you will be in first bracket. If you are having percentage of marks between 90 to 99, you will be in second bracket. If you are having percentage of marks between 80 to 89.99, you will be in third bracket. And if you are having percentage of marks 70 to 79.99, then you will be in fourth bracket. So again, as per your bracket you will have scholarship. For example, if scholarship percentage is 60, 50, 40, 30, first bracket will have 60% scholarship, second bracket will have 50% scholarship, third bracket will have 40% scholarship, and fourth bracket will have 30% scholarship. Likewise, as per your course, the scholarship will be there. Now we are going to discuss about different phases which is mandatory to know about. That different phases are there, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 are available for availing the maximum to maximum scholarship. As per the phase change, the scholarship also change. So what is the different phases, what are different phases for that? Let's discuss about that. So phase will change as per the student enrolls. So phase 1 starts from January onwards and it ran until April 30, 2025. Providing maximum range of scholarship. So I will guide you to apply in this phase to get max to max scholarship. Second phase is between May 1st to May 31st, 2025, providing reduced range of scholarship than phase 1. Phase 3 is, that is from June 1st to July 31st, 2025, providing the more reduced scholarship. So I would guide you to apply in first phase to get max to max scholarship and enroll in the first phase only, as in the different phases the scholarship will going to reduce. So apply as soon as possible with LPU NEST exam with the coupon code given in description box. So as January intake has been started, so apply. And if you want any other detail or if you want any other help, any other query you have, you can comment us and ask us. Thank you for watching the video. Please share and subscribe the channel Traveler World.